Hello all, it's just a quick video of how to clean your coffee grinder when it gets a little bit too messy. You just need some methylated spirits. And just pour some in, don't need a lot. And then all you do is just swirl it. Just give it a couple of swirls for a little bit. Swirl it away. Couple of swirls for a while. Just got to turn the water on. And this part's important. When the water's running, it's like this, you'll hit it and it will go milky white. And there. Probably needed to do a little bit more, but that's more on the outside than on the inside. Yeah. Just a quick, easy way to get these back to new.